Today I'm going to show to you the Echo Blossom Menstrual Cup. It is a menstrual cup that I bought in Amazon. It costs only $11.99 and this is highest rated among the more affordable brands of menstrual cup that I found in Amazon. You know guys, this is my first time to use a menstrual cup ever. I am 42 years old and I have my own reasons why I switched to menstrual cup, and you have to stay tuned for the videos that I'm going to make about menstrual cups. It comes in a pouch like this, and when you open it, you would see a thank you note from the seller. At the back of the thank you note is instructions on how to use a menstrual cup. It comes in two colors and sizes. The green one, which is bigger, measures 46 by 65 millimeters. I use this when I'm going outside, especially when I'm at work. The pink one, which is smaller, measures 42 by 65 millimeters. I use this when I'm at home. Actually, when I first learned about a menstrual cup, I had a lot of questions. Would it be comfortable to use? Would it leak? So I watched videos about it and I thought, why shouldn't I try it? You know, I am a heavy bleeder and I'm constantly searching for solutions to my problems, so I bought one. Initially, I thought it was too complicated to use, but when I tried it, it isn't complicated at all. Even as the first time using it, it didn't leak at all, and I was freer to move. I felt freer to move than when I was using pads and tampons. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you learned something, and stay tuned for my next videos.